If you are a photographer, your camera is only half the story. Your laptop is the editing powerhouse that brings your vision to life. But with so many high-performance laptops out there, how do you know which one is perfect for handling large photo files, intensive editing software, and color-accurate displays? In today's roundup, we are counting down the 5 best laptops for photographers. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned so you can find the best deal. Let's start. Number 5. Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2. The Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2 is designed to blend performance and creative flexibility in one unique package. With its innovative hinge and convertible design, it caters well to photographers who like to alternate between editing, drawing, and viewing content in different modes. The 14.4-inch PixelSense Flow touchscreen delivers sharp detail and true-to-life color, enhanced with a high refresh rate for fluid interaction. Whether you are zooming into fine image details or adjusting curves and hues, the display responds with impressive clarity and speed. This model is equipped with a powerful Intel Core i7 processor and a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card. It also includes 64 GB of memory and 2 TB of solid-state drive storage, ensuring that even the most demanding editing tasks are handled effortlessly. The convertible design allows the screen to tilt forward or lay flat, ideal for drawing or editing with a stylus. Number 4. HP Spectre X360 2-in-1 Touchscreen Laptop. The HP Spectre X360 is a versatile option for photographers who value flexibility, portability, and a responsive touchscreen experience. Its 2-in-1 design allows you to switch between laptop and tablet modes, which is incredibly useful for reviewing photos or presenting portfolios. This renewed version offers an excellent value without compromising essential features. It comes with a 16-inch 3K plus touchscreen display that delivers vibrant colors and sharp detail, ideal for editing high-resolution images. The edge-to-edge glass and anti-reflection coating help minimize glare, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor editing. Number 3. ASUS ProArt StudioBook 16 OLED. The ASUS ProArt StudioBook 16 is built with creators in mind, and photographers will find its features tailored to their workflow. It is equipped with a 16-inch OLED touch display that delivers superior color fidelity, ensuring every pixel of your photo editing project is accurate and vibrant. This laptop is Pantone validated and supports 100% of the DCI-P3 color space, making it ideal for photographers who require absolute color accuracy. Its 3.2K resolution, combined with a high refresh rate and ultra-low response time, creates a crisp and smooth visual experience whether you are retouching portraits or working on detailed landscapes. Number 2. Dell XPS Laptop. The Dell XPS brings powerful performance and stunning design into a portable package, making it an excellent choice for serious photographers. With a large 17-inch display and dedicated graphics, it offers the tools needed to handle heavy editing sessions and manage high-resolution images with ease. One of its standout features is the high-resolution WXGA display with a 100% sRGB color gamut, delivering accurate color reproduction and brightness. This level of precision is crucial for color-sensitive photography work. The Infinity Edge design reduces bezels and maximizes screen real estate, perfect for detailed image editing and multitasking. Number 1. Apple MacBook Pro Laptop. For professionals who demand nothing but the best, the Apple MacBook Pro with the M3 Max chip sets a new standard in performance and visual fidelity. This laptop was designed with creative professionals in mind, and photographers will find it especially rewarding thanks to its combination of robust power, impressive display, and seamless macOS integration. The highlight here is the stunning 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display. It delivers breathtaking color accuracy and brightness, ideal for photo editing. Extreme dynamic range and professional reference modes ensure your images appear just as intended, whether in the studio or on the go. These 5 laptops are built to support your creativity and streamline your photo editing workflow. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more expert gear recommendations.